Hello my dear students, in this video we will start with lesson 5. No need of lesson 4, so we are avoiding that lesson, and in this video we will learn with minerals. What is the name of the lesson? Minerals. First we will see that what is a mineral. Minerals are naturally occurring chemical compounds. What is minerals? It is a natural occurring chemical compounds that make up rocks. We cannot see, or minerals do not usually come from plants or animals. Minerals do not come from plants or animals. They are non-renewable natural resources. If we use one and one day it will get over. For the reproduction it will take lot of time. Okay, as they were formed by chance natural process without any human interference. We cannot make these kinds of minerals. Only natural process can make these kinds of minerals, and these are very useful also. Many of the things we use in our daily life are made from minerals. Example, we use metals to make tools, utensils, vehicles, jewelry, coin, and many other things. Cement, a construction material. All of you know that what is cement. For making building we are using cement, and the cement, it is also made from minerals. Even the salt we put it in our food is also a mineral. What is a mineral? Mineral are naturally occurring chemical compounds, and it is a non-renewable natural resources, and it can reproduce only nature. It is very useful in our daily life. We are using different minerals. Example, for making tools, utensils, vehicles, jewelry, coin, and many other things. One important thing, cement. For the construction purposes we are using cement. It is made from minerals, and in our daily life for every food item we will use salt. It is also a mineral. And now we will see that the types of minerals. Minerals are vary in color, hardness, and chemical composition. Minerals may be metallic or non-metallic. Minerals may be metallic or non-metallic, and it vary in color or hardness. And first we will see that what is a metallic mineral. Two types of minerals are there, may be metallic or non-metallic. First one we will see that what is a metallic mineral. Metallic minerals contain metals. What is that? Metallic minerals contain metals. All of you know that metals are very hard, and it can pass electricity, and they have a typical luster or shine. They can be beaten into various shapes and drawn into wires. We can make this metal into various type, various shape. A mineral from which we get a metal is used. That metals ore. From where we will get these kinds of metal? A mineral from which we get a metal is called that metals ore. And metallic minerals include iron ore. Metallic minerals include iron ore, manganese ore, bauxite, and the ores of gold, silver, and copper. And next we can see that alloys. What are alloy? Alloy is made up of two or more metal. What is alloy? Alloys are made up of two or more metals. Example, bronze. It is a alloy. It's a mixture of copper and tin. And steels are alloys of iron and other metals such as nickel, chromium, and manganese. First we learned about metallic minerals. What is metallic minerals? It contain metals. Metallic mineral contain metals. What is the speciality of that? It is very hard and it can pass electricity. And next we can see that non-metallic minerals. What is a non-metallic minerals? Minerals that do not contain metals are called non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain metals and non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. What are the example of non-metallic minerals? Limestone and mica. Limestone and mica are the example of non-metallic minerals. Next we can see that fossil fuels. Coal, petroleum, natural gas are fuels. Like minerals, they are found in rocks. Like any other minerals, we can see this fossil fuel also we can found in rocks, but they are not exactly minerals, as they were formed from the remains of dead plants and animals that got buried millions of years ago. They are called fossil fuel. We will get fossil fuel from the remains of dead plants and animals that got buried millions of years ago. Okay, first we learned about minerals. What is mineral? Mineral is a naturally occurring chemical compounds. And what is the speciality of that? It do not usually come from plants or animals. They are non-renewable. One day it will get over. If every day we will use these kinds of, if we are using every day these kinds of minerals, one day it will get over. And it is very useful in our daily life. We are using many things. And types of minerals. Two types of minerals. Metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic mineral contain metals and it is very hard and it can pass electricity. Okay, and very easily we can make different shapes and drawn to wires. And next we learn that alloy. Alloys are made up of two or more metal. Example, bronze. It is alloy of copper and tin. It is a mixture of copper and tin. Then we learned about non-metallic minerals. Minerals that do not contain metals are called non-metallic minerals. Mica and limestone are example of non-metallic minerals. Then we learned about fossil fuels. Actually, they are not exactly minerals, as they were formed from the remains of dead plants and animals that got buried millions of years ago. And they are called, these kinds of fuels are called fossil fuel. Example, coal, petroleum and natural gas. Okay. Hope all of you understood. It is a very small portion. Please read again and again. If you have any doubt about any part, any sentence, you can comment. Okay.